VelocityAP, when you get a box from them, it's only good news, guys. What could be inside of this big box? Oh. Just an update, guys. I've had 4 pretty intense events, whether it was the dyno, whether it was driving, some long distances, driving very hard with a group of guys. Finally, the inevitable happened. Check engine came on, scanned the code, and one of my catalytic converters is starting to go. There's only one solution to that, guys. It comes from VelocityAP, and it's 200 cell sport cats, downpipes. This is going to be insane now. The car kind of held off in terms of keeping that OEM noise level and kind of that tuned Jaguar note, but I mean, this should just be insane. It should be a lot of fun. Definitely going to be louder, so stay tuned. As you can see, this is really well packaged. It's definitely protected from any type of potential shipping damage. And I'm going to show you these pieces, guys, already. I'll tell you, they seem to be really high quality pieces. I'm going to try not to get any fingerprints on this because you know, it pretty much is there to stay afterwards. I know it sounds insane, but look at that flange. Beautiful welds. This is definitely going to save weight over the OEM cats. Obviously, this is not a weight savings thing, but you know what? If you could kill 2 birds with 1 stone, why not? Who knows? I'm gonna try and weigh. It's a weird, strange kind of shape to try and get that on a scale, but you know, it'll probably be about 10 pounds lighter. We'll see. I'll compare the two when I have the OEM cat downpipe removed. So just a beautiful piece, guys, from Velocity. 304 stainless. I mean, this is just top notch, just like everything else, just like the crank pulley, really high quality stuff. I'm very excited to get these on the car. Stay tuned, we'll do an install video in a couple days. Shouldn't take long, guys. It's a couple clamps there. I got the clamps right here. They recommend, Velocity recommends getting new clamps. That's what I did. The reason is what ships in the box is 4 studs. So you recuperate the bolts, but you're getting new studs here. So pretty straightforward. You've got 4 bolts plus 2 clamps in and out. Remove the O2 sensors. There are 2 O2 sensors on each side, there and there. So this should be fun, it should be easy, and I can't wait to get the startup, cold startup after this is installed. It should be insane. So stay tuned, guys. We'll see you soon.